All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go for a nice sunset ride, and I want to take the bike for a ride and let you hear the sound of this Akrapovic full exhaust. It sounds amazing. I'm not sure if it's going to do it justice, but we're going to go out and take it out for a quick spin. Now, before I do, I've been getting a lot of questions about the system that I'm using here in the garage to hold the bikes. This is the Condor bike, and I'm going to leave the link down below in Motorcycle Depot. As I've mentioned before, the new sponsor for the channel. Let me show you this here real quick. This thing is super light. You can lift it up, move it around. I have it in here, and then when I go out and watch the bikes out there, I put them anywhere I want out here, and it works awesome. I'm going to leave the link down below. Nice discount for you. Go check that out. I'm going to give you a nice cold start. Let's take it for a spin. That sounds good. I've got my my Beyond Riders gear, Indy Ridge boots. It's beautiful out. It's about 58 degrees. Man, that bike looks and sounds absolutely awesome. Let's roll. Beautiful. Peak foliage, or just about peak foliage. So yeah, look, that Condor system, man, I absolutely love it. I've got 3 of them. I was considering getting a 4th one, so that way I don't have to move it around when I want to take it outside, but or even for the trailer. And ironically, in most of the videos that I've been posting, a bunch of people have been asking me about it. And Motorcycle Depot carries it, so check it out. Get yourself a little discount. And let me tell you, it is freaking sturdy. Once you load that bike on there, it does not move. On the trailer, oh, check out that Cybertruck. Let's go. So let me know what you think of that full Akrapovic exhaust sound. I think I finally got the mic at the right setting. But again, leave it down in the comments below.